Okay, so this problem asks us to take in a string with spaces in it, sort of like a sentence with spaces in, and it needs to return the same sentence, but instead of spaces, with a dash in it. And to do that, we're asked to use this function called split. Okay, and split basically sort of splits a string into a list containing these separate words, and each word is added according to the fact that where a space comes from. So this space is space a space string would get converted into a list. This is a string in separate values. And then we're going to join those, so we can take a list, any list, and we can join them together to create a new string, and we basically join them together using this hyphen as the joining. So we take the hyphen, which is a string, and we join the contents of this list in order to create this string here. So let's have a go at that. So basically, what we're going to do is we've got a function that we've been given already, and this is the line of basically the line that we're given, which is the input string. And in the example, that's going to be this is a string, but that could be anything, of course. So what we're going to do is we're going to create our list first of all. So our string list, let's call it string list equals, and we're going to take our line, which is a string, and we're going to split that on the space. And then we're going to return, because this is what this is going to create, and we're going to return a dash, which is joined on this string list here that we've just created. So basically, you can see this thing here. It creates a line, which is just input by the program, and then it's going to call this function, split and join, which creates a list of words, which is separated by the space, and then it's going to return a new string, which is basically the joining together of all these words joined with this hyphen. So let's see if that works. So let's run that code. And that seems to pass there. So let's submit the code. And hey presto.